Go.
Oh God, I'm so tired today. Oh great, more dishes to wash. Oh, beep! One more broken dish. Oh my God.
Are you tired of coming home after a long, exhausting day and washing your dishes?
Yes.
I understand you.
Are you tired of breaking them all the time?
Yeah. Well, there's a solution. Only for $29.99, you can get a brand new dishwasher. All you need to do is spin the handle, and it will wash your dishes automatically.
By itself?
Yeah. No breaking, no more cleaning. It will do it automatically.
Oh my God. How much is it again?
$29.99. Only $29.99.
It's amazing.